Have you ever considered the crucial role hand hygiene plays in your health? It's a simple act, yet it holds immense power in safeguarding your well-being. Hand hygiene, which includes washing your hands properly and regularly, is our first line of defense against many common illnesses. Think of those pesky colds that seem to catch you off guard, the flu that knocks you off your feet, or the food poisoning that can ruin your day. All these can be prevented or at least minimized with good hand hygiene. But it's not just about protecting you. Our hands are like busy highways for bacteria and viruses. When we neglect hand hygiene, we risk spreading these harmful microorganisms to others, potentially causing a ripple effect of sickness. So let's not underestimate the power of clean hands. They don't just keep us safe, they also play a part in keeping our communities healthy. Indeed, hand hygiene is a simple yet powerful tool in preserving our health. Now that we understand the importance of hand hygiene, it's time to delve into the correct hand washing procedure. Let's break it down into simple, easily followed steps that you can incorporate into your daily routine to keep yourself and those around you healthier. Step 1. Wet your hands with clean running water. It doesn't matter if the water is warm or cold as long as it's clean. Turn off the tap once your hands are wet to conserve water. Moving on to step 2. Apply enough soap to cover your hands entirely. Any soap will work, be it bar soap, liquid, powder, or foam. The key is to use an ample amount to ensure a good lather in the next step. Step 3 involves lathering your hands by rubbing them together. Ensure the lather covers every part of your hands, the back, the front, between your fingers, and under your nails. This step is crucial as the mechanical action of rubbing your hands together with soap helps lift dirt, grease, and microbes from your skin. Step 4. Scrub all surfaces of your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you're unsure how long that is, simply hum the happy birthday song from beginning to end twice. This scrubbing action combined with the soap helps to dislodge and remove germs. After a thorough scrub, we move to step 5. Rinse your hands well under clean running water. The water helps wash away the lather and with it, the germs that you've dislodged from your skin surface. Finally, step 6. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. Drying is an essential step as germs can be transferred more easily to and from wet hands. Remember, each step is as important as the other in ensuring effective hand hygiene. And while it may seem like a lot, once you get into the habit, it becomes second nature. That's the proper way to wash your hands, a process that takes less than a minute but can save you from a multitude of illnesses. So, to sum it up, hand hygiene is a crucial part of our daily routine. It's more than just a simple act of cleanliness. It's our first line of defense against numerous diseases that lurk around us every day. Each time we neglect to wash our hands properly, we're essentially leaving a door wide open for harmful pathogens to enter our bodies. Let's take a moment to recap the importance of hand hygiene. Hand washing, when done correctly, can prevent the spread of diseases such as the common cold, influenza, and even more serious infections like Salmonella and E. coli. These diseases can cause a lot of discomfort and even lead to fatal consequences in some cases. Hand hygiene isn't just about protecting ourselves but also those around us. When we maintain good hand hygiene, we are helping to create a healthier environment for everyone. Now, let's revisit the step-by-step process of hand washing. It's not as simple as just rinsing your hands under running water. You need to wet your hands, apply enough soap, and make sure you're scrubbing all areas of your hands for at least 20 seconds. Don't forget to clean under your nails, between your fingers and your wrists. After scrubbing, rinse thoroughly and dry your hands with a clean towel or air dry them. Hand washing should become a habit. It should be something we do without second thought, like brushing our teeth in the morning. And it's not just about washing hands after using the restroom or before eating. It's about washing your hands after touching public surfaces, after playing with pets, and even after handling money. Moreover, it's important to educate others about the importance of hand hygiene. Share this knowledge with your friends, family, and community. Together, we can make a difference in reducing the spread of diseases and creating a healthier world. Remember, the power to stay healthy is literally in your hands, so make the most of it by washing your hands properly and regularly.